Standard 5 Maths, Chapter number 12, Textbook, page number 167, Family Tree, and we will learn the growth of a plant. Family Tree. Mother went to a wedding along with his parents. He met many relatives there, but he didn't know everyone. Okay? He met his mother's grandfather, but found that her grandmother is not alive. He met his mother's grandfather. मम्मी के दादा को मिले, but नानी तो अभी नहीं थी. He also found that her daddy's mother, grandmother's mother, is still alive. दादी नहीं है, लेकिन दादी की मम्मी, grandmother's mother, वो अभी तक है, and is more than 100 years old. Mother got confused. He couldn't imagine his mother's grandmother's mother. So, mother's mother made a family chart. Okay, like this. In your textbook, it is given. He confused. So, his mother made a family chart. How she prepared the family chart? It is given in your textbook. Mother. So, first generation. Mother's parents. Okay, mother's mother Shobna and father. Mother's father and mother's mother. Okay, we will make the chart of his mother's side. Second generation means his parents. Then mother's mother है शोभना, शोभना's parent, शोभना के मम्मी, शोभना के पापा. ओके, मम्मी, अब मम्मी है, मम्मी के भी मम्मी पापा है, पापा के भी मम्मी पापा. हर एक पर्सन है, हर एक पर्सन के मम और डैड रहते हैं. ओके, सो शोभना, शोभना's mother, शोभना's father. सो शोभना's mother एंड शोभना's father, माधव के क्या हुए? ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. मम्मी के मम्मी पापा, so they are mother's grandparents, third generation. Again, Shobna's mummy. So Shobna's mummy has her own mother and father, and Shobna's father also have father and mother. Okay, so now they are Shobna's grandparents, but mother's great grandparents, and that is the fourth generation. Okay, शोभना है, शोभना के दादा दादी है, शोभना के दादा दादी. ओके, बट मदर के क्या है? ग्रेट ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. ओके, नाउ अगेन शोभना's mother has also mother and father has also mother and father. Okay, and same Shobna's father has mother and father, and they have also mother and father. So that fifth generation, great grandparents, they are mother's great grandparents. Okay, next page, question answers are there. How many grandparents in all does Shobna have? Shobna have how many grandparents? Only grandparents. Now I made a chart here. Now mother's mother, that is Shobna. Shobna have how many grandparents? Only grandparents. So Shobna is here, and Shobna's father and mother, and grandparents means शोभना के मम्मी और पापा. Okay, Shobna's parents are here, and they are their grandparents. So how many grandparents Shobna have? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So write the answer. Shobna have 4 grandparents. How many great grandparents in all does mother have? How many great grandparents in all does mother have? Now here let's count how many great grandparents mother have. So mother have great grandparents. Mother के we have to count from mother. Okay, मम्मी के साइड ही काउंट करेंगे. Okay, मम्मी है their parents, grandparents, great grandparents and great great grandparents. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. They are 8. Okay, so here answer is 8. How many elders will be in 7th generation of his family? How many elders will be in the 7th generation of his family? We'll see here that first 2, okay, then here 4, 2, 4, 8, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Like that it is increasing, double हो रहा है. Okay, so this is the 5th generation. 6th generation 8 2 ज़ा 16 होंगे. Then 7th generation 16 2 ज़ा 32 हो गए. Then 8th generation कितने होंगे? 32 2 ज़ा 64. और 9th जनरेशन कितने होंगे? 64 2 ज़ा 64 के डबल करो. 4 2 ज़ा 8 and 6 2 ज़ा 12. 128. Okay. So what they asked? 7th generation 32 parents. Okay. So 7th generation 32 parents. If he takes his family tree forward, in which generation will he find 128 elders? In which generation he find 128? In 9th generation. Okay. This is the 5th, then 6th, then 7th, then 8 and 9. 9th generation, Madhav has 128 parents. Now, growth chart of a plant is given here. Amit showed a few seeds of moong dal in the ground. The height of the plant grew to 1.4 centimeter in the first 4 days. After that, it started growing faster. Amit measured the length of the plant after every 4 days and put a dot on the chart. For example, if you look at the dot marked on the 4th day, you can see on the left side scale that it is 1.4 centimeter high. Now, here table is given day and length of the plant in centimeter. So 0 day, 0 height thi. After 4 days. After 4 days, he measured the length of that plant. It is 1.4 centimeter. 8 days, 5.3 centimeter. On 12th day, 9.5 centimeter. 16th day, 10.2 centimeter. And 20th day, 10.9 centimeter. On the next page, this graph is given. Now look at the height of each dot in centimeter and check from the table. Okay. Here, see what is this? Can you guess? This is the scale. 0 to 12 centimeter. Okay. And each centimeter, how many millimeter? Each centimeter has 10 millimeter. 10 small lines are here. So this side length of the plant in centimeter, it is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 12. And this side days, 4 days, 8 days, 12 days, 16 days and 20 days. After every 4 days, he measured the length of that plant. Now, find out from the growth chart. Here some question answers are given. Between which days did the length of the plant change the most? Between which day the length of the plant changed the most? Okay. Here they keep the dot like 0. So 0 had 0. After 4 date 1.4 centimeter. So check 1.4 4th date 1.4 centimeter hai. Yes. 1 and then 4. It is 1.4 centimeter. Then 8th day 5.3. 5 के बाद 3. Yes, 5.3 centimeter. Then on 12th day 9.5. 9 है 9 and 5. Okay. So this chart is correct. Now we have to find out that length of the plant changed the most. Okay. So 0 to 4. 4th day में कितने length हुई है change? This much only. 4 to 8 it increase. 8 to 12 it increase more. 12 to 16 9 to 10 only. And 16 to 20 it increase 10 to 11 only. So we have to find out between which days did the length of the plant change the most. We can see here between 8 to 12. Between 8 to 12 the length of the plant changed the most. So right answer is 8 to 12. What could be the length of this plant on the 14th day? Guess. Okay. We have to guess here. What could be the length of the plant? Okay. Here length of the plant on the 14th day. 14th day 8 and 12 day is given on 8th day 5.3. And 12th day 9.5. 12th day 9.5 and 16th day 10.2. Okay. 5.3, 9.5 and 10.2. We have to find out that what could be the length of the plants on the 14th day. 14. So between 12 to 16. Between 12 to 16. 12 को 9.5 है और 16 को 10.2 है. So इन दोनों के बीच कौन सा आंसर है? That we have to find. We have to guess. It is 9.9. It is 9.9 centimeters. So we can guess that on 14th day, the length of the plant is 9.9 centimeter. Will the plant keep growing all the time? All time? No. All the time it's not keep on growing. What will be its length on the 100th day? Make a guess. Okay. On 20th day, it was 10.9 centimeter. We have to make a guess. Only हमको guess ही करना है कि 100 day. 100 day means how many months? 3.5 months. So we can say on 100 days, the height of the plant may be 20 centimeter or 30 centimeter. We have to guess only. So students, make this table in your notebook and make a chart of this. Make a graph. This is called the graph paper. So you can draw in your notebook. Draw a graph and write these question answers in your notebook, and also make that family tree in your notebook.